What if you could save $1,000 in just 3 months without feeling deprived? It's possible with simple, practical tricks that fit into your daily life. Let's explore how to make this goal a reality, step by step. Saving starts with a clear mindset. Decide that $1,000 is your target and commit to it. Small, intentional choices will get you there faster than you think. Track every dollar you spend for a week. You'll spot habits like that daily coffee or unused subscriptions that add up. Awareness is the first step to cutting back smartly. Create a simple budget to guide your spending. List your income, fixed expenses, and what's left for extras. This roadmap keeps your $1,000 goal in sight. Cut one small luxury, like takeout meals. If you spend $50 a week on takeout, redirecting that saves $600 in 3 months. Cook at home and make it fun, like trying new recipes. Negotiate bills to lower monthly costs. Call your phone or internet provider and ask for discounts. Many companies offer deals to keep you, saving you $10 to $50 monthly. Shop smarter by planning your grocery trips. Make a list, stick to it, and avoid impulse buys. This can shave $20 off each trip, adding $240 to your savings. Sell unused items around your home. That old bike or extra clothes could fetch $100 or more online. Decluttering feels great and boosts your savings goal. Use cashback apps or rewards programs. Apps like Rakuten or Ibotta give you money back on purchases you already make. Over 3 months, this could add $50 to $100 easily. Carpool or use public transport once a week. If gas costs you $40 weekly, cutting one trip saves $120 in 3 months. It's eco-friendly and pads your wallet. Set up a separate savings account for your $1,000. Automate small transfers, like $10 daily or $70 weekly. Watching it grow keeps you motivated and focused. Avoid lifestyle inflation when you get a raise. Instead of spending more, save the extra income. Even $50 extra a month adds $150 to your goal. Find free entertainment to replace costly outings. Host a game night or explore local parks instead of movies. This can save $100 or more over 3 months. Pause before big purchases and ask, "Do I need this?" Waiting 24 hours often curbs impulse buys. This habit could save you hundreds without feeling restricted. Check your progress weekly to stay on track. Celebrate small wins like saving $200 in a month. These milestones make the goal feel achievable and exciting. Reflect for a moment. What would $1,000 mean to you? Maybe it's a trip, a debt payment, or a safety net. Share your ideas below, and if this inspires you, give a like or subscribe to keep learning smart money moves. Saving $1,000 in 3 months is about small, consistent steps. These tricks build habits that grow your wealth over time. Start today, stay patient, and watch your savings soar.